Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss WordPress versus Blogger versus Wix in detail. Before starting this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming new video updates. What is WordPress? WordPress is a piece of software that produces as operating system on your website. Before you can use WordPress, have a install web server. How to do access your two web servers? You have two options: build your website locally for testing purposes is 100% free. Buy a server space or from third party company as a web hosting, and the risk is to install WordPress to hosting setup. Next, what is Wix? Wix is an online platform where you can build your website and make available for worldwide. It is easy to try to make a free web hosting site. Wix is one of the best free blog sites and for new to start a new blog. It is a user friendly. It is made to take a beginner path to upcoming through multiple features. What is a Blogger? Blogger is another and most user friendly free blog site to start a blog. Blogger is easy to use, and it is a Google own platform which is now a blog support. As a quickly integrate Google profile, you can install a new starting website within a minute. Well, easy to use. WordPress rating is 8/10 and Blogger 9/10 and Wix 7/10. User friendly, both three are user friendly. WordPress is a user friendly, Blogger is a user friendly, and Wix is also user friendly. Next, mobile response. WordPress is also mobile response, Blogger is also mobile response, and Wix is also mobile response. Web hosting in WordPress, free WordPress.subdomain. In Blogger, free blogspot subdomain. In Wix, free Wix.com subdomain. Next, site address. My sample site .wordpress.com. In Blogger, my sample site .blogspot.com. In Wix, user.wix.my sample site. It's a customized domain option. In WordPress, yes, customized domain option. In premium plan for WordPress. In Blogger, yes, customized, but buy a customized domain from third party domain hosting provider. Next, in Wix, yes, only premium plan by Wix. Feature update and new features. In WordPress, it is frequently regular update. In Blogger, it is real and most real. In Wix, it is frequently updated. Support, customer support. So in WordPress, best customer support service. In Wix, good for customer support service. In Blogger, okay customer support service. Next, social media integration or a social media plugin. In WordPress, we use social media plugin. In Blogger, we also use the social media plugin, and in Wix, we use the social media plugin. Next, visit to official website. For more detail, WordPress.com. For the Blogger, bloggersupport.com and Wix.com. Friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel for upcoming new video updates. Okay.